In this video, we create a first VS plus parameterization. First, we copy the intersection version and open the copy by double-clicking. We have already recorded the basic data, see green tick icons for signal groups, intergreen times and other tiles, in the previous video. Under the Basic Objects Navigation tile, we now start the Parameterization Wizard. It will automatically create the VS Plus parameters for us, which we can then customize individually. After the first data validation, the behavior of the control can be determined using checkboxes in the menu item Individual Traffic. For example, the detectors in the main direction are only supposed to extend. In the minor direction, on the other hand, call and extend. In addition, we choose how the pedestrian should close and whether the program should run fully traffic actuated. Now select for which VS Plus version the supply should be created, here 10.0, and save. After that, the VS Plus supply is created in the background and all parameters that were not previously available are calculated and filled. Again, we now only see green icons. If necessary, check the parameterization you just created, for example the traffic stream times and the tile traffic streams, and navigate to the times. We see here the minimum green times of 4 seconds. Next, let's look at another important object, namely the main and minor series. We note that all traffic streams appear in the main series and that in the case of individual traffic, the opposite direction is entered as a minor stream. That's a good thing. So we are now ready for a first test of the supply and start the test bench. To do this, in the main navigation we select testing and under the three-dot menu we load the current intersection version and automatically VS mate. We then click on the tile that appears in the test bench. Another click on the play button loads the control into the emulator or VS mate and the switching on becomes visible in the signal timing plan. By moving the speed control, we can increase the test speed. Many other functions of the test bench are explained in a separate video. We only undock the signal group window here, hide the serial inputs and reduce the display of the detectors. A click on a detector triggers a call, which can be seen immediately in the signal timing plan. We now slow down the speed and trigger another call, stop the test progress and measure the green time for the pedestrian. It is 4 seconds. Too little. Then let's change this right away. To do this, we edit the previously created VS Plus parameters by clicking on the button Edit and Change Times. The editor of the traffic stream times opens, where we now change the minimum green from 4 seconds to 6 seconds. We save the changes and return to the test bench. After accepting the new supply, we can resume testing by clicking on play. We generate another pedestrian call and by measuring with the mouse, we can see that the green time is now 6 seconds. In this way, the VS Plus parameters can be adapted iteratively and their effects tested. We can repeat this as often as we like until we are satisfied with the result. We have now created our first fully functioning, traffic-actuated VS Plus control. I give this version a suitable name, and it is ready to be deployed in the field.